Hello friends, we are going to see how to send personalized emails with personalized certificates to each and every participants. For this we will require two files. One is participation certificate format prepared in Google Slides, and second a spreadsheet where we do have the data. Here in data we do have full name of the participant, email ID, some sort of grade and a trigger whether the participant has some trigger points or criteria to send the certificates. You can observe that the full name written over here has been called through tags mentioned in the certificate. Similarly, the grade has also been put into the certificate by putting the tags. To send the personalized certificates, let us select an add-on called as AutoCrat. We will click on Open. This will open a pop-up for AutoCrat. Let us click on New Job. Give a job name. Click on Next. Select the certificate template from Google Drive. Select the data to be used for certificate merge. The grade tag inside the certificate has been mapped with the grade column inside the spreadsheet. The full name tag inside the certificate has been mapped with the full name column inside the spreadsheet. Click on Next. We want to have the file name as the participant name. Therefore, click on this arrow and click on the tag. This will simply copy the tag name and you can paste it over here. We want to share the certificate as a PDF format and we want to send the multiple output mode copies. Select the destination where you want to save all the certificates which will be generated. Keep this unaltered. We can set certain merge conditions, just like over here. If the candidate is passed, then we can send the certificate, and if the candidate is failed, we need not to send the certificate. So we will add a condition over here inside the column trigger. If it equals to pass, then send the certificate, otherwise don't send the certificate. Next, you want to share the docs? Yes, we want to share the doc as the PDF. We want to send the emails. Once again, click on this arrow, click on email. This has copied the tag and you want to paste it over here. Write down the subject name here. We can also customize the body of the email. So here, instead of putting the participant, we will put the name of the participant, TFA. Click on Next. We want to run the job on the trigger, that is, if the candidate is passed, then only send the certificate. So click on S, click on Save. Now we do have our job and let us start sending the certificates. Click on Run Job. By looking over here, we do have only 2 certificates to be sent. So only 2 rows will be merged and you can see the changes in the spreadsheet. That's all, our job is done. And now let us look how the sent certificates looks like. This is the first certificate where we do have the participant name and his certificate. Similarly, we do have second email with the participant name and his certificate. Thank you all.